Welcome to blogging as a lucrative venture. Blogging isn't just about sharing your thoughts with the world. It's a potent platform for earning a substantial income. Around the globe, successful bloggers are proving that with the right approach, blogging can not only be a fulfilling hobby, but also a lucrative business venture. By sharing their expertise or unique perspectives, bloggers can attract a vast audience and open various revenue streams. The journey from hobby blogging to making a full-time income is not an overnight success story. It involves strategic planning, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of digital marketing strategies. However, the rewards can be significant. Many bloggers have transitioned from their day jobs to full-time blogging, enjoying financial freedom and flexible work schedules. Starting a successful blog requires a combination of passion, strategy, and some technical know-how. In this guide, we'll explore how to select a profitable niche, set up your blog efficiently, create engaging content, optimize your site for search engines, and monetize your blog effectively. By the end of this piece, you should have a clear roadmap to turning your blogging passion into a profitable endeavor.
Welcome to Selecting Your Niche Passion Meets Market Demand. Choosing the right niche is crucial for the success of your blog. It's the intersection where your personal passions meet market demand. The ideal niche should excite you because you'll be spending a lot of time researching and writing about it. Additionally, it should have a sizable audience interested in the topic, which is essential for driving traffic and earning revenue. To identify a profitable niche, start by listing your interests and areas where you have expertise or want to learn more. Then use tools like Google Trends, BuzzSumo, or SEMrush to analyze the popularity and competitiveness of these topics. Look for a niche that is specific enough to reduce competition, but broad enough to have a large audience. The importance of thorough market research cannot be overstressed. By understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience, you can tailor your content to better engage readers and meet their expectations. This alignment of interests and market needs not only enhances your blog's potential to attract visitors, but also boosts its monetization prospects.
Welcome to Setting Up Your Blog Foundations for Success. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is setting up your blog. This process begins with selecting the right blogging platform. WordPress is highly recommended because of its flexibility, scalability, and a wide range of customization options. However, platforms like Blogger, Squarespace, and Wix are also good alternatives, especially for beginners who might prefer a more straightforward setup. The choice of a domain name is equally critical as it represents your blog's brand. Your domain should be catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to your niche. After securing a domain, the next step is choosing a reliable hosting provider. Companies like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator offer plans tailored to bloggers, ensuring that your site remains accessible and fast. Design plays a pivotal role in attracting and retaining visitors. A clean, attractive design with easy navigation enhances user experience and encourages people to explore more content on your site. Utilize themes and templates that align with your niche and modify them to reflect your unique style. Remember, the first impression is crucial, so make sure your blog looks professional from the start.
Section 4. Crafting Compelling Content Essential Tips. The heart of any successful blog is compelling content. Start by crafting attention-grabbing headlines that promise value and intrigue your audience. Tools like CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer can help you refine your headlines to increase click-through rates. Always ensure that your titles accurately reflect the content of your articles to build trust with your readers. Content should not only be engaging, but also visually appealing. Incorporate relevant images, infographics, and videos to break up text and add value to your posts. Visual elements can help explain complex information more effectively and are crucial in retaining reader interest. Moreover, they make your posts more shareable on social media, which can significantly increase your blog's exposure. Consistency is key when it comes to blogging. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts and ensure a steady stream of fresh content. This helps in building a loyal audience as readers know when to expect new content from you. Additionally, regular posting signals to search engines that your website is active, which can improve your SEO rankings and drive more traffic to your blog.
Section 5. Mastering SEO, driving traffic to your blog. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is essential for increasing your blog's visibility and attracting more visitors. Start with keyword research to identify terms that your target audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs can provide insights into search volumes and keyword difficulty, helping you to choose the right keywords to target. On-page SEO is crucial for making your blog more search engine friendly. This includes optimizing your titles, headings, and content to include relevant keywords without overstuffing. Your meta descriptions should also be compelling and include main keywords to improve click-through rates from search engine results pages. Building backlinks from reputable sites is another effective SEO strategy. Backlinks signal to search engines that other websites consider your content valuable, which can boost your rankings. Guest posting on other blogs, creating shareable content, and engaging with your blogging community are effective ways to build backlinks and improve your SEO performance.
Section 6. Monetization strategies, earning from your blog. Once your blog starts receiving traffic, it's time to think about monetization. Affiliate marketing is a popular method where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products. Choose products that align with your niche and are valuable to your audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank offer various products you can promote.
Another effective monetization strategy is displaying ads on your blog. Google AdSense is a common choice for bloggers as it's easy to set up and use. It allows you to earn money each time a visitor clicks on an ad. Make sure your ads are not too intrusive, as this could negatively impact the user experience. Sponsored content and selling digital products are additional revenue streams. Sponsored posts involve collaborating with brands to create content that promotes their products or services. Meanwhile, selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables allows you to leverage your expertise and provide value to your audience while earning money.
Section 7. Conclusion. Start your blogging journey today. Blogging offers an incredible opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable venture. By understanding and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you're well on your way to building a successful blog that not only engages but also monetizes your audience. Remember, the key to successful blogging is consistency, quality content, strategic SEO, and effective monetization. So why wait? Start your blogging journey today and join the ranks of successful bloggers who have turned their passion into a thriving business. Every step you take brings you closer to achieving financial freedom and making an impact with your words. Embrace the challenge and let your blog be the gateway to new opportunities and adventures. With determination, creativity, and the right strategies, your blog can become more than just a platform. It can be a powerful catalyst for change and innovation. Dive into the world of blogging and start making your mark one post at a time.